The air conditioner is struggling today. To be fair, there is a heat index of about 100 degrees today. Heat index of 100. My phone says it's 97. Oh no, it was like 91, feels like 97, I think. I think that's what was going on there. This box fan going in this area because it's not air conditioned. See if the cannon's running. Yes, it is. Obviously running on high. You shouldn't run it on anything other than that. The central unit has been running for an hour and a half straight. It was set to 71 for a good portion of the day, and then I turned it to 70, and I kept the temperature fine. But then about an hour and a half ago, I turned it down an extra degree to 69 degrees, and it's been struggling to even get it down to 69 degrees, let alone keep it at that. It's not a bad air conditioner, it's just more proof that, like, Central is not exactly as great as everybody says it is when it comes to the amount of power they have, cooling power, as well as, like, these machines, you know. Oh, check that out. The line's sweating. That's pretty cool. If you listen really closely, you can hear the refrigerant sound. My phone is getting really hot just by being in the sunlight. So I'll let you guys hear the indoor part running. I doubt anybody really cares about what the indoor half of the machine sounds like. Then again, there's probably like those 2 people ever that actually do, so. I mean, Central is nice for like people like my mother who has like back problems, can't get air conditioning in the window, and just generally finds it to be a hassle. Kenmore is still running. Unlike the Central, it's been satisfying. Even now, it's still at it's still sitting at 70 degrees, which, to be fair, is better than what it is outside. But it's not satisfied yet. I'll turn this down to low just for a moment here. Hear the refrigerant sounds. The air conditioners, as some might say it like that, the air conditioners are really struggling today. You can't really see it that well from here. Or rather, you can't see it at all. Oh yeah, and the final thing that is also really trying its all is the attic exhaust. Watch, the cat's gonna get up the second it thinks it's like... Yeah, see, she's like immediately like, oh my god. No, kitty, you stay right there. No. I don't want her to try and run up there. There's like fiberglass and whatnot up here. Jeez. Spider web. This is thermostat controlled. But yeah, you can see all that exposed insulation. I don't know if the cat's up here because of that. And yeah, I can just turn it off if I wanted it to. I kind of slipped. I slipped on the steps. Get you a quick spin down of it. It's a neat fan. What is it, 6 blades? Yeah. It got way hotter just from that few seconds of it being off. I know a lot of people don't like these because they say, well, it's basically air conditioning your attic and blah blah. But here's the thing, right? Why wouldn't you want that? Because if you leave your attic all hot and all, a lot of that heat's gonna come through your ceiling. Because if your ceiling is not insulated properly, the heat's all gonna come through the ceiling. I know that from the old house, where the heat did come through the ceiling. The attic exhaust fan in that thing was not operational. I couldn't get to it because the ceiling was really high in that attic. Oh yeah, I also have this fan running here. This little West Point. Just to cool my desk over here because the air conditioner doesn't quite reach over here. And it gets kind of hot over here because the computer and the monitor get kind of hot. I'd rather be slightly air conditioning my attic than have the heat from the attic coming down into the living space. That's my reasoning there for having one of those. I recommend that people who have major heat problems in their second floor and whatnot, at least consider it because of that fact. Or you can or an alternative to that is to really make sure that you've got really good insulation for your second floor ceilings. But yeah, so that's kind of the heat wave. This thermometer, though it's kind of busted up, it does still work, keeping it around 72, 71 degrees. That's just what I have this set to. This thing's quite inaccurate when it comes to its temperature thing. You can see 77. This is just a cheap little alarm clock. I don't expect the temperature on it to work all that well. But yeah. Anyway, that's the video. More videos to come eventually, but I'm struggling to find stuff to film right now. So yeah, I'll pop up here and there. Anyways, that's it. Goodbye.